108 Tips to Learn English. I hope you enjoy it very much. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give your like and share it with your friends. Tip 2. Where were you born? I was born in Brazil. Verb to be, past tense, affirmative. I was. You were. He was. She was. It was. We were. You were. They were. Verb to be, past tense, negative. I wasn't. You weren't. He wasn't. She wasn't. It wasn't. We weren't. You weren't. They weren't. Verb to be, past tense, interrogative. Was I? Were you? Was he? Was she? Was it? Were we? Were you? Were they? Verb to be, past tense, interrogative, negative. Wasn't I? Weren't you? Wasn't he? Wasn't she? Wasn't it? Weren't we? Weren't you? Weren't they? Exercises. Were you born in France? No, I was born in Brazil. Where was she born? She was born in Spain. Wasn't she born in England? No, she was born in Spain. Where was he born? He was born in Italy. He was born in Brazil, wasn't he? No, he was born in Italy. Where were they born? They were born in France. They were born in France, weren't they? Yes, they were. Where were we born? You were born in England. We were born in England, weren't we? Yes, you were.